Growing plants in your garden can be a rewarding and enjoyable experience. Here are some general steps to get you started. Choose the right location, select a spot in your garden that receives the appropriate amount of sunlight from the type of plants you want to grow. Some plants prefer full sun while others thrive practical full shade. Prepare the soil. Test your soil to understand its composition and pH level. You may need to amend soils with a compost or other organic matter to improve its fertility and structure. Select suitable plants. Choose plants that are well suited in your climate and soil condition. Native plants are often good choice as they are adapted to local environment. Planting. Follow the planting instruction for each type of plants. Make sure to space them appropriately and plant them at right depth. Watering. Provide your plants with the right amount of water. This can vary depending on type of plant on your local climate. Watering deeply and consistently but avoid overwatering. So hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel 90 Addiction. So if you are new here, kindly subscribe our channel. If you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribers button for latest more interested videos. So this video share to your friends. Mulch around the base of your plants to help retain soil moisture, suppress weeds and regulate soil temperature. Fertilization. Some plants may benefit from periodic fertilization. Use a balanced slow release fertilizer or organic opposition like compost. Puring maintenance. Regularly pure and maintain your plants, promote healthy growth and remove death or damaged branches. Pest and disease management. Keep an eye out from pests disease. If you notice an issue, take appropriate measure to control them. Support and stacking. Some plants like tomatoes or top flowers need support and stacking keep them upright. Remember that garden takes time and patience by the period of some trial and error as you learn what works best in your garden. Continuous learning, keep learning and experiment. Garden and lifelong journey, and these always some the new discover. Remember that specific care requirements can vary greatly depending on your type of plants you are growing. It's good idea to research the specific needs of each plant and ensure the success in your garden. So this video share to your friends, and if you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribers button for latest more interested videos. Here are some gardening ideas to grow our plants and garden. Whether you have large backyard or small patio, there are countless waterfalls, flower pots ideas to show your space style. In article we shall explore various garden ideas, providing inspiration of your landscape garden. So this is called today's video. Today's video you can see gardening tips and tricks. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.